Hello, I am introducing to my phishing domain detection project. This is the dashboard, and if you want to detect the URL of phishing is or not, then we will click here and we are getting this form. We will input full URL with HTTPS or HTTP, and we didn't give any space and other thing. We will only provide valid URL to detect the phishing or not. And I try starting with Google to what is the result which happening. We are getting response in some time. This site will legitimate site. This project or this model showing this is the real site or good site. And again, we are predicting the second website is the Facebook. Now I'm taking third URL for detection. So what is happen is this is the real or phishing website. We will check through this submit button. This site will also show it is a real site or good site, and now we will also show some phishing website. So we will, as a reference, we are taking from Fish Tank, and we also apply on Fish Tank website URL. Is this is good website or the phishing website to check the model? And this is going to the process, and now you will get the result. This site will also the legitimate site. That means is the good site. Now we will taking some URLs that are from Fish Tank that are related to the phishing. So we will supply to this project. Now we will apply to this URL. Now you are getting this site is a phishing site, and second we apply on this website. What will happen? We will see this site is legitimate site or phishing site. We will check is there. This site will also showing the phishing site. That means giving the true result. And third, we will try with last website. If this website is phishing or not. And we remove the spaces because we want to input the valid URL. Process takes some time because we are abstracting backgrounds, some properties of the URL. And now we are getting this site is also phishing site. It's showing the good result. We are approximately check on 4 versus 3 on in legitimated versus phishing website. And now I will tell you that I will test dataset from another source from Kaggle. Also for there we are getting so much URL. There we will also taking only 200 indexes, and we're getting the classification of accuracy. What is the precision accuracy or recall accuracy? Here we will found in this image. We are approximately getting the 73% of the result. It's a good result, but in future we will try with also deep learning project. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will also giving me some feedback after this watching this project, and thank you so much.